The Drimaster ECO is a positive input ventilation system, or PIV. It works by gently introducing fresh, filtered air from the loft into the home, helping to push out stale, moist air, which is what causes condensation and mould. The main unit sits in the loft. Air is drawn through filters, then delivered into the home via a ceiling diffuser, usually in a hallway or landing. The system runs continuously at a low level, so you don't feel drafts, just cleaner, drier air. The Drimaster ECO automatically adjusts its airflow based on loft temperature. When the loft is warmer, airflow increases, helping with energy efficiency. Some models also include an integral heater, which gently tempers incoming air in colder months.
If you're an installer or a contractor, don't miss our free trade account. Get bulk discounts, priority technical support, and fast project quotes, all from the ventilation experts at iCells.